In this video, I'll detail how to turn on live speech on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether it's Series 8 or Series 9, and you want to enable or turn on live speech on your Apple Watch such that when you press the digital crown, it's going to give you the live speech of whatever you have on your Apple Watch screen, then you need to watch this video. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to press the digital crown to exit the clock face and go to the app list. On the app list, locate and click on settings. Then one of the settings page, scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then under accessibility, just keep scrolling until you get to the bottom where you see live speech. Then click on that. Now once you select that, you should see triple click the digital crown to show live speech. Then turn this on. Then to use live speech on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is click on the digital crown 3 times. Then choose live speech. Then you can just turn this on to start using live speech on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.